Dear students, we can continue with the experimental part of LCR series and resonance experiment. See the circuit. You are already familiar with this circuit for LCR series, which contains AC source, milliammeter, inductor, capacitor and resistor. All component and device should be connected in this box. First, let us take two this type of wires. Okay. Now you see this. This is the AC source. Top terminal connect to top terminal of the AC source actual device. See the bottom terminal. Connect bottom terminal to actual AC source. This is what parallel connection. Now let us take milliammeter connection. This is 1 milliammeter point. This is another milliammeter point. Take these two terminal, connect to real milliammeter. Okay. Now let us see. There are two inductors. There are three resistors. There are three capacitors. So we can have n number of combinations. Among them, let us choose best combination, that is L1, R1, C2 combination. Now take two wires, come to L in the circuit, take first terminal, take second terminal, come to real inductor, first top terminal, next bottom terminal. Now this is the connection. Similarly, let us come to second one, that is capacitor, first terminal, second one of the capacitor. Now come to real capacitor. One is top terminal, another one is bottom terminal. Similarly, let us take two more wire, come to circuit resistor, first point, circuit resistor, second point, connect to real resistor, that is 750 ohm, top terminal and bottom terminal. Since we have been using AC source, we need not worry about a sign convention. Now let us switch on this. See, it is switched on. Similarly, your back switch is the switch on. Let us see the red light. It is switched on. Okay. Now circuit is completed. Let us see once again. This is AC source connection. This is milliammeter connection. Milliammeter. Next, inductor connection. Next, capacitor connection. Next, resistor connection. Now come to AC source. Here we have to do some preliminary settings. See this portion. See this portion. One is voltage knob, another one is amplitude knob. Both are set for convenient already. After this, we have to set for frequency. There are two frequency knobs. One is primary frequency knob, another one is secondary frequency knob. Here we should set for 1K. You know that 1K means 1000 Hz. Now preliminary setup is over. Come to secondary frequency knob. Now let us see the number which is written on here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that up to 10. 1K into 1 means 1000 Hz. Likewise, if you change the frequency knob from 1 to 1.5, that is 1500. 1.5 to 2, that is 2000. Likewise, it graduated till 10. So, we have been changing the frequency from 1000 hertz to 10,000 hertz, 1000 hertz to 10,000 hertz in steps of 500 hertz. Each time we should set the precise frequency value. We have to note down the current for series as well as parallel. Now we can take a reading for series. Let us see. Series. Secondary frequency knob is set to 1, which means 1000 hertz. For 1000 hertz of frequency, let us see the current, that is 0.59. Now you can write down here 0.59. Similarly, come back, set to 1.5 means 1000 hertz. See the current now, it changes to 0.69. Similarly, here we should set to 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, likewise up to 10. As frequency increases for series circuit, here current is keep on increasing, reaches maximum and decreasing till 10,000 hertz. We have to tabulate all here from 1000 hertz to 10,000 hertz. This is what experimental procedure for LCR series resonance. Now similarly we have to do for LCR parallel resonance circuit. Here see this circuit. Here no capacitor. Take out capacitor terminal, come to right hand side now. Now let us see the real picture. Here these two belongs to capacitor terminal. Take out one, keep here, keep another one here. Now we brought the capacitor on right hand side. Now let us see, gap is created. So there is no connection between L and R. There is an incomplete circuit. So take another wire, fill the gap. Now the circuit is complete. Okay. Now come again to this. Use the secondary frequency knob. Come back to 1. Come back to 1. Next, see the current. Now current is maximum for initial frequency. When frequency is low, current is maximum in case of LCR parallel resonance. Like LCR series, we have to keep on increase the frequency. Now let us see the current variation here.